Next on the Punani Papers, the hit single from that guy way in the back of the room. It's called I Don't Want My Vagina Plugged Up.
It's the vagina song, stupid.
Yeah, the vagina song.
How do you go again? It's been so long.
Nothing could be finer than to be
Shut up!
vagina.
Give me a second.
No! I thought it went, I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up.
I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. You can't put nothing in it. You can't put nothing in it. I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. You can't put nothing in it. You can't put nothing in it.
Sweeter than
Not even that.
her titties when I eat her in the morning. Oh. When her vagina walks across my floor, giving me morning glory I've never seen before. Nothing could be finer than to be in her vagina in the morning.
Cause I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. You can't put nothing in it. You can't put nothing in it. I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. You can't stick that tampon in it. You can't stick that tampon in it.
Punini, 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 punini.
I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. Cause I got a yeast infection. Cause I got a yeast infection. I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. Cause I'm on my period.
Panini.
Cause I'm on my period. I don't want my vagina plugged up. I don't want my vagina plugged up. Cause I've got something in it. Cause I've got something in it.
Here's your instrument. Shake it.
Go
ahead.
Cause we don't want the vagina plugged up. We don't want the vagina plugged up.
I fucked my sister, make it rain. I fucked my brother, he took a shit. His shit, it looked like a bottle.
In the bottle, in the bottle.
Then he fucked the doggy.
Fuck the doggy, fuck the doggy.
Got the doggy squatting water.
Squatting water, squatting water.
I can't think of nothing to say.
Doggy, 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 doggy.
Cause I'm retarded, cause I'm retarded.
Retarded too.
At some point, you were supposed to talk about a pussy.
In the vagina,
And then what the vagina plugged up. Think the song is just about over.
I think it's done. I think it's done.